Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Sea otter food web questions look messy, but this one breaks fast if you track who eats whom and focus on the most direct relationship. Start with the food chain shown by the passage. Otters eat crabs and shellfish, and those herbivores eat algae on eelgrass, so population changes ripple through connected prey pretty directly. Now focus on sea slugs as one of those invertebrate herbivores. If sea slug numbers rise, they need more food, so they would consume more algae and likely face less crab predation. That means the increase in sea slugs is tied most directly to fewer crabs, because fewer predators let their prey population climb. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust the given facts and check each step, because direct links beat side effects.